If you love customizing your Android, don't miss this list. Here are the 3 best launcher apps in 2026 that are absolutely worth trying. Coming in at number 3 is Smart Launcher 6, and it's easy to see why. With a 4.6-star rating, over 646,000 reviews, and more than 50 million installs, this launcher has built a huge fan base. The best part? It automatically sorts your apps into categories, so your home screen stays clean without any extra effort. It also transforms the look of your phone. The colors adjust to your wallpaper, and you can customize everything from icons and fonts to widgets and layouts until it matches your style. If you're always using your phone with one hand, you'll love this feature. Smart Launcher places your most used apps where your thumb naturally reaches, making everyday tasks quicker and more comfortable. And when you're in a hurry, the built-in search helps you find apps, contacts, websites, or even solve simple math problems in just a few taps. It's fast, smooth, easy to personalize, and packed with useful tools that make Android feel more organized every day. Number 2 goes to Nova Launcher. And honestly, it's easy to see why. Over 100 million downloads, 1 million reviews, and a 4.3-star rating speak for themselves. Instead of forcing you into one layout, Nova lets you build your phone exactly the way you want. Want smaller icons? Done. A cleaner app drawer? Easy. Custom themes and colors? Just a few taps away. But it's not just about looks. Nova feels smooth, helps you find apps faster with its built-in search, and even lets you save your entire setup, so switching phones takes minutes instead of hours. And if you grab Nova Prime, you get swipe gestures, hidden apps, and even more customization that makes everyday use faster. No wonder Android fans keep coming back to it year after year. At number 1, Microsoft Launcher. With a 4.6-star rating, over 50 million downloads, and more than 1 million reviews, it's one of Android's most popular launcher apps. The biggest reason people love it is customization. You can change icons, apply custom themes, use beautiful wallpapers, and completely redesign your home screen to match your style. But Microsoft Launcher isn't just about looks. It also helps you stay productive by bringing your calendar, to-do list, sticky notes, and personalized feed directly to your home screen. Need quick access to your favorite apps? Use customizable gestures like swipe, double tap, or pinch to open apps and shortcuts in seconds. Getting a new phone? Simply use the backup and restore feature to move your entire setup without starting over. It even includes a smooth dark mode that's perfect for nighttime browsing and gives your phone a modern premium feel. If you want your Android to look better, work smarter, and feel faster every day, Microsoft Launcher is an easy recommendation. See you in the next one with more amazing Android apps. Until then, keep customizing.